ILSINA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSINA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years.
Without that, you will continue buying and sourcing and assembling and kitting. Sir, आप तो कंपोनेंट किसी को आप मतलब किसी को 50-70 को नहीं चलते रहेगा। But you will say हम can't keep this pace. No man, आपका पॉइंट है 3 साल तक कमाओगे नहीं। अगर वैल्यू ऐड नहीं होगा तो फिर कमाएगा कौन? कमा के तो वही जा रहे हैं।
Industry. ILSINA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years.
Why are we not saying कि 5G हम हाथ से करेंगे नहीं? अपने आप you skip that page maker वो पे होता ना pager, you skip that, you go straight to the next step.
ILSINA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSINA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years. ILSINA Awards, recognizing excellence in electronics hardware manufacturing and services since 1976. ILSINA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSINA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years.
A very warm welcome to all the participants, all the winners, all the dignitaries. This is a new world and we are living in a new space, so I think we are all getting used to this nice thing. And this is the first time that we are doing this program online and it is being broadcast virtually. So this is something that has been a learning experience for us. And even till 5 minutes back, we were struggling with how to make sure that it is getting broadcast properly online. But we are very happy to say that I think we have managed to come so far, and we are doing a sort of a hybrid program where we are trying to to present the awards in person to the winners, and we are also having a lot of the industry and a lot of the industry which is participating in the Electronica also to be viewing this program. So I think that is a good thing. We will have a lot more viewership of this, and a lot more people will see as to who are the companies who have won and who have done well this time. So I think this is a very new type of situation for us, but also something to be proud of and to be happy that we are managing to survive and to do well in this COVID era. So I welcome everybody again. I am Raju Goyal from Elsina. And of course, this is for the benefit of those who are viewing, things online. And we have, from MeitY, we have, with us, Dr. Chatterjee, who's here. He's a director from MeitY, and he's been a very big supporter for us. He's been looking after, some of our awards, especially the R&D awards. And we will also have Mr. Marva, who's the senior director. He'll be joining us as our guest of honor, and he and Dr. Chatterjee would be, presenting the awards to the winners. So with you, with these few words, I will leave the rest, to my immediate past president, Mr. Manwani. So may I welcome you here to kindly, welcome all the participants. Thank you.
Well, rather than say very warm welcome, I will say very masked welcome to all of you. In the COVID times, we have to coin new words. Welcome to this award ceremony of Elsina. This is, I believe, the 45th Elsina Award function. The function started, I think, in 1976, and it has stood the test of time in the sense that it has been, every single year we have not missed out, I guess, in any year giving these awards. So this is, this speaks of the fact that Elsina awards have some value in the electronic industry, and I hope this continues for a long time to come. Elsina basically, is a component manufacturers association, or at least it started that way. However, over the years, recognizing that there were developments beyond components, which were very, dear to us. So we have included printed circuit boards in our domain. Although printed circuit boards is also in a way a component, but we have also added EMS, and we have some stalwarts here from the EMS industry, like Mr. Sanjeev Narayan, who is excelled in the EMS sector. So over a period of time, we've had people who have joined Elsina who have worked very hard in this very difficult industry, if I may say so. And, we have probably, most of us, and I'm one of them, most of us have probably spent a lifetime in trying to grow in the electronics manufacturing. what Elsina currently does is it identifies companies or individuals who have contributed to the growth of component industry, EMS industry in the electronic manufacturing sector. And we have by and large focused on 4 or 5 categories, which, if I may just refer, I don't readily remember all the 5 categories, but these categories are R&D efforts, excellence in exports, excellence in quality, business excellence, and excellence in PCB manufacturing. This year, and in all these 5 categories, we were giving for large companies, medium companies, and also, recognizing some special efforts. But considering the fact that due to this COVID period, we have reduced the number of categories in these 5 or subcategories in these 5 categories. However, we have increased some jury awards, which we will be giving out later today. I must thank Dr. Chatterjee for taking his time and coming here, and shortly Mr. Marwa will be joining us in a few minutes. I would like to specially make a very, I would like to express my gratitude actually to Ministry of Electronics and IT that they have supported us all these difficult years, and more so in the last 4 or 5 years. They have come out with schemes which have encouraged electronic manufacturing in the country, and some of these are known to you. I don't have to repeat them, but recently there has been a great thrust in the direction of electronic manufacturing domestically, because we want to reduce our import dependence on a few countries because of not only for geopolitical reasons, but also the fact that the demand in the country is growing so rapidly that unless we have some self-reliance, Atmanirbharta, we will not be a global player. So MeitY has done has given a great support. I would also like to make a mention that in the past years, there were other agencies who were supporting us in these awards. Earlier it was DNB, so it was Elsina DNB Awards. Then subsequently EFI joined hands with us, and they were also supporting our Elsina Awards to the winners. And now it is Elsina Electronica, or MMI as we know them. So thanks to all those agencies who have supported us in this effort to identify champions of the industry, if I may say so. With this brief introduction, I would not take too much of your time, and once again, I would like to congratulate all the winners today. Some of you are here, and perhaps some of you are online. Once again, hearty congratulations, and I hope that in the years to come, with the government support that is there, we will have more entrepreneurs, more companies coming forward and excelling in the sector, so that they would be truly deserving companies or individuals for these awards. Thank you very much once again for coming personally. I know these are difficult times, so coming here could be a challenge for some of you. But thank you that you could make the effort and come here. Thank you very much.
We can do that, or maybe Sanjay ji can join also. We'll first do this quickly. My glasses have got fog on. Sorry. Okay, sir. Thank you, for that introduction to the awards and to Elsina. And we will now start with the first category of awards, which is for excellence in exports. And we had, I think, almost 12 or 13 entries in that, and we have 6 to 7 winners out of that who have done well. So we will start first with the first prize for exports in the large category, which is actually shared by 2 companies. So first, I'm announcing the name of TDK India Private Limited, Kalyani. And I request Mr. Subhash Chaudhary, Chief Manager Sales, to please come on stage. And Mr. Subhash Chaudhary, Chief Manager, is Mr. Chaudhary is here? His name is here. So is he here? Is Mr. Chaudhary here? No? Okay, so in the meantime, then I'm because his name is here, so I think he's supposed to be here, right? So have you requested him to come inside? Okay, so I'll now announce the name of the second company, which is a joint first prize winner for exports in the large category for the year 1920. That is SFO Technologies Private Limited. SFO Technologies. May I request Colonel Ranjit Singh from SFO to kindly come on stage and receive the award, please. SFO Technologies, please, sir. No, yeah, we'll be sharing the pictures with you, sir. Don't worry. Yeah, we'll make sure we'll do that.
The masks and I'll maintain the distance.
Yeah, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please. SFO Technologies Cochin has been selected for the first prize in the large category. They are involved in design, engineering, manufacture of electronic RF and fiber optic products, PCB assemblies, cables and wire harnesses. Their exports have grown from 1,037 crores in 1718 to 1289 crores in 1920. We congratulate SFO for their excellent performance. We now go to the next first prize in the medium scale, which is actually a new company which has applied this time, and they have also won the award. That is DevSys Solutions Private Limited, Gurgaon. Mr. Samar Bhargav, Executive Director. Mr. Bhargav is here. He's not here. Okay. So anyway, let me announce the award and then we'll take a picture later on. So this is DevSys Solutions Private Limited. This is they are from Gurgaon, and they are a medium scale company, but they are into defense equipment, and they have done exceptionally well. Their exports have shown a rise from 324 crores to 407 crores with very high value addition. DevSys Solutions Private Limited. There is a joint second prize going to Sirma Technologies. We have Mr. Anthony here from Sirma. Welcome, Mr. Anthony, please. Mr. Anthony is the General Manager Sales. Sirma Technologies has been awarded the second prize in export medium scale, and they are a highly reputed EMS company making very high-tech and top-notch products. Their exports have grown from 195 crores to 345 crores, a big jump indeed. Congratulations to Sirma Technologies. Then we have another award to Sasmos Het Technologies Limited, Bangalore. Mr. Ram Madhav is here. He is the AGM. Welcome, Mr. Madhav. This is also a second prize, a joint second prize in the medium scale. Sasmos Het Technologies Limited, Bangalore. They are manufacturers of wiring harnesses, electromechanical assemblies, and unit integration products in the aerospace and defense space. Congratulations to Sasmos Het, please. Then we have 2 certificates of merit in the medium scale. Globe Capacitors Limited, Faridabad. Mr. A.K. Duggal, General Manager, is here, and he would be receiving the award. Globe Capacitors Faridabad is a pioneer in manufacturing world-class capacitors with a track record of over 35 years. They have done well, and they have managed to keep their exports growing in spite of the recession in the market. Congratulations to Globe Capacitors, please. Then we have QMax Test Equipments Private Limited, Chennai, who get a certificate of merit. From QMax, we have Mr. P.K. Nayak, DGM, Sales and Marketing. Welcome, Mr. Nayak, and congratulations to QMax Test Equipments. They receive a certificate of merit. They are a leading company in automated test and diagnostic equipment for electronic systems, designs, develop and manufacture a wide range of test equipment. Congratulations to QMax. This is a very rapidly growing medium-scale company. So with that, we come to the end of the exports awards, and we would now request the companies who are from the quality domain to please come in and have a seat. Some of you may have to wait in the lobby outside, but you may have to come back for your next award, because I believe some of the companies have got 2 awards. So we would request you to kindly wait and then come back, just to maintain the COVID protocol. Okay. May I now invite Mr. Sanjeev Narayan to please come and join in Dr. Chatterjee to give away the awards, sir. I think Mr. Manwani wants to share his burden with you. So, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Do you have everybody from quality inside now?
Yes.
Huh? You will have to announce, because we missed 2 of the people from exports. Okay. Has Mr. Subhash Chaudhary come from? Oh, when did you arrive? Oh, okay. So can you please come up and receive your award, please? First prize, large scale, to TDK India. Mr. Subhash Chaudhary, please, kindly. TDK India, as I already mentioned, is the erstwhile Epcos, we all know. They are the second largest producer of passive components in the world. And TDK has done very well. Their exports have grown from 411 crores to 508 crores between 1917-18 and 1920. A growth of more than 20%.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
With a high export intensity. Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary. Thank you so much. So we now begin the awards for the quality segment. This is also a very competitive segment. We had, I think, 11 or 12 entries. And we will begin with the first award, again going to SFO Technologies. And SFO has been, stealing many of our awards every year. I must say it is a remarkable company. So Colonel Ranjit Singh, please welcome for the first prize in the large scale. Excellence in Quality Management. This award goes to SFO. Company has been deploying best practices to achieve and maintain best-in-class quality levels through process improvement, global manufacturing process, quality standards. I must also announce, which I did not do earlier, for which I apologize, that the committee members for the quality awards are Ms. Asha Nangia, who's senior director from METI, and Mr. Atul Gupta, he's director STQC, and Dr. Gurmukh Singh, he's a retired director from ERTL. So this is the name of the committee, please. The next we have the second prize in large scale. You may want to, unfortunately it is SGS, so I don't know. Okay. The second prize for excellence in quality management goes to SGS Technics Private Limited, Gurgaon. We have Mr. Aniket Kedari, Senior Manager Quality. Welcome, Mr. Kedari, and heartiest congratulations. Thank you. I think you missed the backdrop otherwise. Thank you. The company is a certified electronics manufacturing service provider and is a geographically diversified manufacturing locations across India. Congratulations to SGS. Next, we have a certificate of merit in the large scale, which goes to Cookson India Private Limited. Cookson India, we have Mr. Salaria, Mr. Parduman Salaria, Senior Manager Business Development. Welcome, Mr. Salaria. Cookson is a very old name in the industry, and they receive a certificate of merit They are into soldering material manufacturing, having wide spectrum of assembly manufacturing products. The company is certified to meet the requirements of ISO 9000 and its quality policy is well established. Congratulations to Cookson. We now go to the SME category, for which the first prize for quality, excellence in quality goes to Expro India Limited, Bankura, West Bengal. Expro India Limited. We have Mr. Amit Kumar, General Manager Marketing. Welcome, Mr. Amit Kumar. Thank you so much. First prize in this category for excellence in quality goes to Expro. They are they have a well-established QMS and leadership management commitment, which is clearly evident from the data provided by the company. Expro is another very well name. Congratulations to Expro. The second prize in the SME category goes to Vishay Semiconductors India Private Limited, Mumbai. I think they will be attending virtually, correct?
Yes.
So are they there somewhere? Can we see them, or are they attending, or we should just announce their name? Okay, so this is we have their, okay, so this is Vishay Semiconductors. If they are attending virtually, I hope some of them should be moving. Okay, but it's great to see the team from from Vishay Semiconductors, and heartiest congratulations to them for the second prize in quality for the year 1920. Vishay, as we know, is a well-known name. It's a global name, and they have a semiconductor arm in India, which is based in Maharashtra, in Mumbai. So we will keep their award and we'll send it to them. Heartiest congratulations again, Vishay Semiconductors. Okay, second prize also, I think this is for Hykel Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore. Another very well-known company. They will also be participating virtually. This is their citation, which Hykel has implemented and is maintaining a number of top quality standards like AS 9100D, NAD CAP, ISO 14001 and ISO 45000. Hykel has good quality plan which contains inspection and test plan with frequency, test methods and acceptance criteria of products and test results. We all know this company very well. It is an exceptional company, and we see the quality team from Hykel. Unfortunately, I don't know their names. If you know their names, we can announce their names. But our heartiest congratulations to the team from Hykel. Okay, sir. So we give a clap to Hykel. And we move to the next winner, which is a certificate of merit in the SME category, which is again Sirma Technologies Private Limited. They, Mr. Anthony, GM Sales, please kindly come on stage to receive the certificate of merit. I will not repeat, the details about Sirma. They are an excellent company. They are good in quality. They are good in exports. They are into very high-tech products, and it's growing very rapidly. Okay, now we have the last certificate of merit for quality, which goes to Sahasra Electronics Private Limited. Miss Nirja Achari. Okay, so we will. Okay, Miss Nirja Achari is going to join or no? Okay, so maybe we will hold it till the end, and if she comes in time, then we will do that. Otherwise, we will keep the certificate in safe custody. This certificate of merit goes to Sahasra Electronics, which we know is a company which is crossing new frontiers every year, and Mr. Manwani is here with us. I think this is a company which we are looking forward to becoming a truly global company. They have done very well in their quality standards, and I think this is also proved by the fact that they are doing very well in exports. So they have got export customers in the developed countries, and they are doing very well. Thank you. Congratulations to Sahasra. With that, we close the second category of awards, which is quality, and now we will request the winners of the awards for R&D to kindly join us here. Some of you may please kindly have to wait in the area outside. Please don't go away. You can keep your award with you, or you can So because there'll be a group photograph of everybody, so please don't go till the award ceremony is over. We request you to kindly stay and have a cup of tea. सर उन्होंने जीते हैं अवार्ड, उनको बुलाना नहीं है। हाँ, आप क्यों परेशान हैं? आपको मांगने वाला नहीं, बैठिए आराम से। आइए सर, आइए प्लीज। मिस्टर मारवा, वेलकम सर, वेलकम प्लीज। नहीं आप रहिए ना प्लीज, आप दोनों रहिए प्लीज, प्लीज रहिए प्लीज। Mr. Sanjay is there, from Elsina, and so Mr. Marwa is here, Senior Director from METI. He's our guest of honor today, and along with Dr. Chatterjee, who's also our guest of honor, a very big, supporter of, Elsina, and we are really grateful for his, continued, guidance and support to us. Okay, so we will present the bouquets at the end of the ceremony. Is that okay? I think that is fine, so that our our chief guest will have to wait till the end of the ceremony. So that is one way of holding them back. It's an incentive, sir. It's incentive policy of Elsina. Okay, so we now go to the third category, which is another very interesting category of awards, which is research and development. In this, we have as our committee members, we have Mr. Arvind Kumar, who's the DG STQC. A very, very senior official. We have Dr. Sandeep Chatterjee, who's here with us today. He's, director, and he looks after the R&D and the new materials, all the new material developments, etc. in METI. So he's basically, he's, technology person. I won't say, technology geek, but you are basically a man from, technology. And we have Dr. Viren Shankar, who's a retired, director from NPL, which is National Physical Laboratory. And Dr. Sankha Das, who's also from the R&D team of METI. So these are the four members of this committee. We'll now announce the winners. The first prize in the category of R&D goes to SGS Technics Manufacturing Limited, Gurgaon. Mr. Ved Prakash Gupta. Mr. Ved Prakash, please kindly come on stage. Goes to SGS Technics Gurgaon, has been selected for the first prize through its extensive R&D efforts at in-house state-of-the-art facilities. SGS has developed multi-modal water purification systems with RO, UV, RO plus UV controller, which ensures purest drinking water free of any form of contaminants. And this has also got an energy-saving mode, so this is really an exceptional product that SGS has developed. The second prize in the large category goes to CDOT. I think we have Dr. Rajesh Sharma here from, please welcome sir. Dr. Rajesh Sharma, kindly come on stage please. CDOT has received the second prize in the large category for research and development. They have indigenously developed customizable service management platform an indigenous next-generation platform for telecom internet service providers. It supports GUI applications, development in Java, JSP, and provides features like a number of very high-tech features. CDOT has been a regular applicant and winner in R&D and in quality, and we congratulate them for this. Next, we have the SME category, where once again we have QMax as a winner. The first prize this time in R&D, Mr. PK Nayak, DGM Sales, please kindly come again. Welcome, Mr. Nayak. QMax has got the first prize in the SME category for R&D. They have developed a nodal impedance analyzer, a unique electronic board troubleshooting tool which can detect any change in PCB soldered components. This is a very unique product, and it is also an import substitution product. QMax is another Indian homegrown company doing very well and doing very good work. And we are really proud of them. Once again, we have DEFSYS Solutions. Second prize this time in the SME category for R&D. Mr. Samar Bhargav, request you once again to kindly come up. He has not come yet. Oh, sorry. I thought we have ejected him to the room outside, but we'll wait for him and we'll present when he comes back. So DEFSYS Solutions, let me announce very quickly, for the benefit of the viewers, has been selected for the second prize in SME category for R&D. They are a leading Indian systems integration company, have extensive R&D experience and knowledge base. They are basically into defense and aerospace, and they are doing fairly high-tech work. The company has signed, designed and indigenously developed integrated electronic systems, automated test equipments, RF and microwave application-based testing for military requirements. So that is the brief about DEFSYS. We will hand over the prize to them when they arrive. Now we have a certificate of merit to CDIL, Continental Device India Private Limited. Mr. Arun Gupta is here. Welcome, sir. Please, Mr. Gupta. Please. A certificate of merit goes to CDIL. CDIL has indigenously developed discrete semiconductor devices, metal can TO18, TO39 to be used for small dies using chip recognition through camera and software. This low-cost developed product meets all MIL standards of quality, reliability and environmental criteria. Congratulations to CDIL. Another certificate of merit goes to Matrix Comsec Private Limited, Vadodara. Mr. Satish Jha. Welcome, Mr. Jha, and thank you for being here with us. Some of you have traveled in this time, which we really appreciate. Thank you so much. Matrix Comsec gets a certificate of merit in R&D. Matrix has developed telecom and security solutions, product Eternity Nenex and Matrix Simado, a next generation IP PBX system for small offices and businesses. So congratulations to them. And last but not the least, we have a unique company. I don't know if anybody is here. Mr. Uday Vohra is here. Oh, welcome, Mr. Vohra. We are very happy to have you here again. You had done very well, I must tell you, in the rankings, but you had got the first prize last year. So we could not give you the first prize or second prize or an award. So we are giving you a special recognition for excellence. Sunlux Technovations Private Limited, Bangalore. Sunlux Technovations in the SME category for research and development. They have designed the CO2 removal system to maintain the environment habitable for a crew in underwater vessels. So something very unique. With that, we come to the end of the awards for research and development, sir. Now we have only one award this time for business excellence. This time we had 5 entries, but the our committee, which consists of Mr. B.B. Gupta, Mr. Rajiv Jain, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. I was looking for you, but so glad you could be here. Mr. B.B. Gupta, Dr. Ashok Agarwal. Mr. B.B. Gupta is a well-known name, earlier from BIS, and now, he runs his own, quality systems company, and he's a, he's a big, guru for many people. Then we have Dr. Ashok Agarwal, who's the CEO from Escorts Finance. He's there in this committee. Mr. Rajiv Jain is here, my, colleague, erstwhile colleague, and a specialist in semiconductor technology. And we have Mr. Rajit Pal Singh, who's again not here. He's in Jammu. But thank you for being here. We would, request you to, come up and, present this award. Please, join the. Please come, Rajiv. Thank you so much. So the only winner this time in the SME category is Sasmos Het Technologies Limited. Mr. Ram Madhav, once again, Assistant General Manager. Welcome, Mr. Madhav. Please. They have emerged, Sasmos has emerged and sustained its position as a leader in highly competitive and quality-conscious segment of aerospace and defense for wiring harnesses and high-tech mechanical products. Heartiest congratulations to you, and many thanks to you, Rajiv. Yeah, please. I'll request you to please have a seat. You gave an award to only one company, but I think Sasmos Het has something to be really proud of. Okay, the last category among the nominations received is for PCB manufacturing. Now this is a category which we added only 2 years back, and the winner in this category, we have two categories in large and SME. In the large category, we have Epitome Components Private Limited. And Mr. Mukesh Narayan, I think, is here. Aye, sir, welcome. Mr. Mukesh Narayan is one of the founder members of the company, and then this company is being run by Mr. Anurag Dhoot, whom we all know. They have done exceptionally well. They've invested a lot even in this time of COVID, and they're growing their capacity, which is very unique in the PCB sector. Congratulations to Epitome. They've got a number of new equipments and all which they've invested in. And the next we have the SME category. The SME category first prize goes to Meena Circuits Private Limited. Sir, actually, I would also like to, invite you. You are the chairman of the committee. So, sorry, I am not been able to. I'm trying to somehow, giving more importance to time than to the content, which is not correct. Mr. Amrit Manwani was, the convener of this committee. Mr. Akshinthala Vijendra, MD of IPC, was in this committee, and Dr. Sankha Das, who's from METI, he was also part of this committee. So the first prize in the SME category goes to Meena Circuits Private Limited. They will be participating virtually. So we have the chairman, Mr. Patel, who I think is based in the US, and Mr. Nayak, who's here in India. This is a very, very nice and boutique. Has got a turnover of about 50 crores, which is not bad in the PCB industry for the way we are. But they have done very well, and they are trying to grow and invest more. And they are practically one of the best companies in the SME category. So we congratulate Meena Circuits, and we can give them the second prize goes to Fine Line Circuits Limited, Mumbai. They will also be participating virtually. This company largely manufactures complex and multi-layer PCBs for high-end applications. This is very interesting. They have a turnover of about 30 crores, but 60% of their products are into 4-layer or higher. So they are making fairly complex products, and I think they have a lot of scope to grow. But at 30 crores, I don't think that they are doing justice to themselves. I think they have potential to become a much larger company. And we hope for that, and we will support them in that. So I must also congratulate Mr. Abhay Doshi. Very well. So heartiest congratulations to Fine Line Circuits, please. Then we have one certificate of merit here, which goes to Kirti Industries Limited. This is the same company which was called, Hyderabad. They have been awarded a certificate of merit, and they will also be participating virtually. So we have on the screen here, this is I think the managing director of the company, Mr. Rao, if I am not mistaken. And so heartiest congratulations to Mr. Rao and his team. And we hope that they grow very rapidly, because they are into flexible PCBs mainly, and they also make some rigid PCBs. Also a lot of, some, single, double, multi-layer, all types. And 95% of their production is flexible PCBs. So heartiest congratulations to Kirti Industries as well. And with that, we come to the end of the awards by nominations, sir. Right, sir. Thank you so much. So we'll take a break for 1 minute just to start this, because I want to talk to Yogesh about how he's going to.
Sina, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSENA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years. ILSENA Awards, recognizing excellence in electronics hardware manufacturing and services since 1976. ILSENA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSENA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years. ILSENA Awards, recognizing excellence in electronics hardware manufacturing and services since 1976. ILSENA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSENA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardees over the years. ILSENA Awards, recognizing excellence in electronics hardware manufacturing and services since 1976. ILSENA, established in 1967, completed remarkable 53 years. India's oldest and largest association representing the electronics manufacturing industry. ILSENA Awards. The gold standard for excellence in electronics, instituted in 1976. India's first ever electronics awards. Supported by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, Government of India. Notable awardee.
Okay, we resume, the presentation ceremony. We missed Mr. Samar Bhargav earlier from DEFSYS, and I think you've now arrived. Welcome, Mr. Bhargav. So we are now announcing once again the first prize for medium scale to DEFSYS Solutions Private Limited, Gurgaon. The company has done extremely well in exports. It's in the defense and aerospace space, and their exports have grown very rapidly and continuously from 324 crores to 407 crores with a very high value addition. We congratulate DEFSYS for their very good performance. Mr. Bhargav, I think I would request you to please stay back, and there is one more award for which we were missing you, and there is one more award that DEFSYS Solutions has won this year, and that is for excellence in research and development. And this is the second prize in the SME category. The second prize in the SME category. So once again, heartiest congratulations to DEFSYS Solutions and Mr. Samar Bhargav. Congratulations once again, and very nice to have you here in Elsina House, sir. So we now have the next category of awards, which is the jury awards, and this is actually a jury of Elsina, very senior members, and our presidents and past presidents, who select a few of the winners or companies who have done very well in different domains. And of course we have some special awards which go on every year. So this year we have a category which is for outstanding contribution to design-led electronics manufacturing. Under this category we have got 4 awards. Outstanding contribution to design-led electronics manufacturing. The first award in this category goes to Amber Enterprises India Limited. Amber Enterprises India Limited. We welcome Mr. Sanjay Arora. Sir, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us here. And our jury was very impressed by your outstanding contribution in the outstanding contribution to consumer durables and electronics manufacturing industry in India. This is a company that started from Punjab, and it now has 10 manufacturing units, and they excel. It is also a public limited company now, one of the very few in the electronics domain which have been able to go public. And from the data I have from the public domain, their turnover has gone up from 1100 crores in 2015-16 to 4000 crores in 2019-20, with a CAGR of over 35%. So this is really an exceptional company, a domestic company, and we are really proud to have more and more such companies becoming global champions. So heartiest congratulations once again to Amber Enterprises and its management. And we have made a special mention here of Mr. Jasbir Singh, who's the chairman and CEO, and who has done a number of new initiatives he has taken, which has taken the company forward. I have 1 or 2 points which I would like to share for the benefit of everybody, especially those who are participating from outside. Under his guidance, Amber has initiated the concept of additive manufacturing solutions, which is an area of your it is your favorite area, sir. And also they have taken over companies which are from the PCB board manufacturing area, which has helped the company grow further. So once again, sir, heartiest congratulations to Amber Enterprises. The next award in this category of jury awards for outstanding contribution to design-led electronics manufacturing is actually to a design company, and they are very well known to us, and we are fortunate to have with us Mr. Amit Kharbanda, Managing Director of the company. He has, I think he has been, spearheading this company since long. The journey of MyBox started in 2008, and this award is to them for excellence in design solutions. I will say a few things about them. Today, the company is a government-recognized R&D house and backed by Hero Group. So they are now part of the Hero Electronics company. They have designed products and have reached millions of households through their set-top boxes. One thing which the jury found very unique about the company, that it has specialized in R&D and manufacturing of set-top boxes, and has announced that it is now an Alexa voice service solution provider. Collaborating with Amazon, MyBox is one of the first systems integrators to build an AVS solution for the video platform. Being a relatively young company starting in 2008, MyBox has achieved significant milestones in this in their journey of the last 11 to 12 years. They are also now, what I see here, they are also now a Google TADA licensee, which I believe is something exceptional, because being part of Google in any way is, I think, something to be really proud of. And Mr. Kharbanda, the MD and CEO, he brings with him his extensive experience of the Indian electronics and broadcasting industry. He launched MyBox in 2008 with the support of visionary industry experts, and has led the company successfully, earning an excellent reputation in the industry. And now they are part of the Hero Group, which itself speaks volumes about Mr. Kharbanda's leadership and management. So our heartiest congratulations to you, Mr. Kharbanda, and to MyBox Technologies. The third award in this category of outstanding contribution to design-led electronics manufacturing goes to Mr. Hari Om Rai, the co-founder of Lava International Limited. I think he will be joining us live, so we will look forward to some views from him as he joins us. And before we hand over the mic to Mr. Rai, we would like to just make a few points about Lava International. Mr. Hari Om Rai has established Lava International, which has been a great contributor to the design-led manufacturing space in the mobile value chain, which is a highly competitive area, as we all know. Mr. Rai has been an entrepreneur since a very long time, when he founded BioGentech, a venture in the field of biotechnology. Then in 1996 he launched InSynergy Supply Chain Solutions, which was basically providing integrated logistics solutions, and which was in partnership with BBK Telecommunication Company, which is now Vivo. I know the very famous global name in mobile phones. And then then in the year 2009, Mr. Rai established Lava International, which, as we know now, is a leading company in India in the domestic mobile space, and now is a $1.2 billion company. So our heartiest congratulations to you, Mr. Rai, and to the excellent work you have done in this space, which is really booming and has got so many opportunities for all of us. I would request you to kindly, speak your mind here and share your views with us for a couple of minutes. Thank you. Over to Mr. Rai.
So, thank you, Elsina, for your kind words. The audio system seems to be a little, issue. I would like to be brief. Thank you very much to all the jury members. We are humbled and honored with your, graceful award. Thank you very much.
Very much, Mr. Rai, and we really hope that you do extremely well under the PLI scheme. You are the flag bearer for the domestic companies, and may you have a grand success under that scheme, and take our industry to greater heights. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much.
Ash is there, to receive the award as you called in person. Raj from Lava is there.
Yes. Oh, Mr. Sorry, I'm sorry. Please welcome, sir. Welcome. I am. I'm very sorry about that. Please, Mr. Bhibash Deb, the Vice President and Head of the Tax and Legal Compliance, is here, and our heartiest congratulations to you, Mr. Deb. You are part of a great company and a great entrepreneur who's leading you. I'm sure you have got a very bright future ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kindly do stay back, and we'll be having a group photograph of all the winners, Mr. Deb. So we'll be, grateful if you can, stay back for a little while more. The next award in this category of outstanding contribution to design-led electronics manufacturing is once again a company which is, largely focused on design, and this is VVDN Technologies Private Limited. We welcome Mr. Jitendra Singh, the CFO of the company. Welcome, Mr. Singh. VVDN is a relatively new name on the horizon of the ESDM sector, but they've been around, I think, for more than 10 years now, and we've been in touch with their CEO, Mr. Bhupender Saharan. This recognition is conferred on VVDN for their extraordinary capabilities they have developed, providing innovative and broad spectrum of embedded design services and ODM capabilities for automotive, industrial, networking, wireless, and IoT sectors. The jury was also impressed by the fact that VVDN has expanded their infrastructure for R&D centers, test lab facilities, and world-class manufacturing facilities in a very short time. And last 2 or 3 years, they have been really growing at a very rapid pace. They have their headquarters here in Manesar, Gurgaon, and their US headquarters are in San Jose, California. I would like to make a brief mention of Mr. Bhupender Saharan, who's been leading the company as its CEO for more than 12 years, and has helped to define and implement VVDN's strategy and growth. He has also spearheaded the company's key decisions, which have developed and helped expand VVDN's business far beyond being just a service company, and has become a leading ODM manufacturer based out of India. We are all looking forward to VVDN becoming a global company and to having a name and make a name for India as well. We congratulate the team of VVDN, and thank you, Mr. Jitendra Singh, for joining us today. Please do stay back for a group photograph, which will be there in about 15-20 minutes, of all the winners. Okay, sir. Now we come to the jury awards under the general category, so to say. We have the first award here, which is under the category of exemplary growth and diversification by an Indian ESDM company. This award goes to Sahasra Electronics Private Limited, and we congratulate Mr. Manwani, who was our president also for last 2 years, and I can announce that he has done some exceptional work in this industry, and after his professional career of about 20 years, last 20-25 years, he's been working so hard as an entrepreneur. Sir, our heartiest congratulations to you, and may God give you strength to keep this good work up. I'll say a few words about Sahasra. Sahasra has now got manufacturing plants in India and in Rwanda, and they've got their bases also in USA, Belgium, and Canada. Most of their manufacturing facilities are here, in the NCR region, and they are a leading EMS company today, and also a big exporter of electronic products to developed markets. In 2011, recognizing that domestic demand of electronic products would increase very rapidly, Sahasra bought Info Power Technologies Limited, a company that was into PCB manufacturing and needed better management and an appropriate business model. Sahasra diverted its attention towards the Indian market with the vision to enable India to stand tall in the electronic market as a manufacturer. In 2012, they set up a plant in Rwanda, which is something which, very few companies, I think, would have done. But they have done this very, very successfully, and they have a LED manufacturing plant in Rwanda now. They have a JV with a multi-billion-dollar corporation of Taiwan, which is MITEC, and they are now making a number of high-tech products like dash cams and motherboards for the automotive and data center storage industry in collaboration with MITEC. They also have a collaboration with Phison, with whom they make storage devices and USBs, etc. Another first which has been taken, a step which has been taken by Sahasra is that they are setting up a IC packaging or a ATMP plant in Bhiwadi, which is in the Elsina cluster, and this is going to be the first of its kind in the country. And I hope that many more such plants come up, and we are able to make up for whatever time we have lost in the semiconductor space. So our heartiest congratulations to Sahasra Electronics, to Mr. Manwani, to Varun Manwani, and to their team. We now have with us, a doyen of the industry, Shri M.L. Tandon ji. He's a person who, I have never had the privilege of meeting, but it has been really something exceptional that he has done for the industry. We are really proud here to award Shri Tandon with Lifelong Service to the Electronics Industry Award for 2019-20. Mr. Tandon is here with us from Bombay. He will be speaking to us online virtually. I will just make a few statements about him. I am too small a person to speak about such a great man, but this is it is my honor to do so today. Mr. Tandon's story is that of a man who has fought with adversity, and he has never, so to say, thrown the towel into the ring. He has always been fighting. Starting he moved to the US in 1960, where he did his master's degree in Purdue University, and he joined IBM in San Jose. After that, he also did his MBA from there. In 1967, he moved back to India, to work for IBM. But in 1977, IBM had to close its facility here, and Mr. Tandon, did not have a job anymore. But anything is possible if you've got the nerve, as it is said for him. So, the better man in Mr. Tandon came forward, and he and his colleagues from IBM, set up a new company by the name of Pentex Engineering. And this, not only, employed them, but, most of their colleagues from IBM. And they started, alongside with, Pentex, he started, Tandon Magnetics as a manufacturer of floppy recording heads for export. This was a great success, and after that, Mr. Tandon has never looked back, and the Tandon Group has done some exceptional work. One thing which deserves special mention is that he brought women to work for EMS companies, and he got approvals from the government for women to work in night shifts. And I think that was one thing which was really holding back their employment in the electronic space, which is something which Mr. Tandon has been able to do. And after he had a big struggle, and I would say he really pushed the government into doing this. Mr. Tandon is still quite active with the group, and he's there as a doyen and as an advisor to them. But he has a large empire now which he has created, and so many people are benefiting from it. I will now request Mr. Tandon to say a few words to us. Over to you, sir, and our heartiest congratulations and respects to you.
Hello. Hello.
We can hear you, sir. Thank you. Please go ahead.
Can you hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
I can't hear you at all, so I'm just going to speak blindly. I'd like to thank you. I would like to thank Mr. Marva, Mr. Sandeep Chatterjee, Mr. Pasani, Mr. Goyal, my old friend Sanjeev Narayan, and members of the jury, and the people I don't know I've missed. I like to thank all of you for considering me worthy of this prestigious award. And am I getting through?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
Okay. I will not make it very long. I'd just like to say that, I have received from Government of India many awards as the highest exporter for many years. But this one is very special to me because it comes from my fellow members who have traveled this journey together, going through the excitement and hardships of trying to produce electronics in this country. And I must say that we have come long ways, and I'm very indebted to you for recognizing the efforts which we all put together to bring the industry to the level what it is today. But please, let's understand, we had many opportunities in the past to carry this to a bigger platform, but unfortunately we have been missing. But now let's do our best. Government is on our side, and let's put the efforts to bring it to the point where we are no less than anybody else. India should come first in electronics. That's my wish and desire, and I thank you for all the help you have given me.
Sir, it's an honor for us to be recognizing you and a leader like you. I'm not sure if you can, hear us, but we could hear you very well. And I'm sure, you will get this message from your team, from Mr. Sandeep Tandon and from Dr.
I was unable to hear you guys, so I was kind of speaking blindly.
Okay. But we can hear you, sir. We can hear you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so
Thank
very
you.
good.
Thank you.
Once again, thanks a lot.
Our best wishes to the Tandon Group and to the Tandon family. And, we hope, you stay healthy and you keep guiding us. So thank you so much. May I now request Mr. Anthony, I think you are here from Sirma, right? Okay. Please, kindly accept the award on behalf of Mr. M.L. Tandon. Mr. Anthony, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, now we come to the last jury award. This is a special jury award, and this is actually the most special award. I think, there are two awards which are really special, and one is, the award for lifelong service, and now we have the, award for the Electronics Man of the Year. This is a very, difficult, award, when we come to the selection, because there is always, some sort of, tussle as to who should be the winner. But we generally look for, entrepreneurs who have done well for a long time and who have served the industry, in India for a long time. And I think that is the primary objective and the primary focus of the jury. So I have the privilege of announcing the winner this year. Normally it is done by the president, but unfortunately he's in USA and he's sleeping fast asleep. And he said that I've been up for 3 days, so I cannot be up today. So I have the privilege of doing this, sir. The Elsina Jury Awards Committee is delighted to present the Electronics Man of the Year Award 2019-20 to Mr. Sanjeev Narayan, SGS Technics. I have known Mr. Narayan from the day I came into the industry, and it has been a great experience for me. He has been part of the industry for over 45 years. His initial years were spent with CDIL, where I would say, he cut his spurs or whatever, he earned his spurs, and, which is a pioneering company in semiconductors in India. And there he rose to become the executive vice president in a fast-track career. In 1990, it gave him an opportunity with economic liberalization, and he decided to become an entrepreneur. So we would like you to please just wait for a minute, and we can kindly, so that you can address us kindly. Then he partnered with 3 of his colleagues to set up an electronics manufacturing services company known as well known as SGS Technics Manufacturing Private Limited. Now over the years they have got 5 manufacturing plants, which across Gurgaon, Manesar, Baddi, and Bangalore. And in addition they have got 3 electronics designs centers in Stuttgart, Germany, in Gurgaon and Bangalore. Mr. Gurgaon, along with his partners, has been instrumental in leading the growth at SGS for the last 30 years, and the company today is seen as a role model of collaborative growth and partnership. SGS is well respected by customers and suppliers alike, and I think this is largely because of the values that have been imbued into the company by its management and by Mr. Narayan. More recently, this is something which is quite exceptional, which the company has done. With the collective vision of the promoters of SGS, they have got into a collaboration with another progressive Indian electronics manufacturing company of the Tandon Group, Sirma Technologies. This initiative is a pioneering step in the Indian EMS sector and validates the business model of benefits of a collaborative approach. I think we all need to learn from this, and we should work together and in a collaborative way so that we have more strength, because we all keep fighting our battles alone, which is very tough. And this is not true only of companies, it is true of associations as well. We are not able to come together and work. So this is something which is a great pain which we all suffer, and we need to come out of it. And I hope that we would have learned something from COVID, that we now learn to work together and in collaboration. Elsina, in recognizing Mr. Narayan's dedicated and consistent contribution towards crafting a vision for the electronics industry in India, congratulates him once again. He has been generous with the time he has spent in mentoring and guiding the industry associations and also many young industry leaders and entrepreneurs. We feel proud in recognizing Mr. Narayan's achievements and his services, enabling the growth of ESDM ecosystem in the country, and wish him the very best in his endeavors and always very good health and happiness. Congratulations to you, sir. Such a great prize. Sorry, we cannot even shake hands, but I think we just have to bow and say namaste. So I would request you to say a few words to all of us and to the delegates who are watching. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Raju. Good afternoon, friends. Let me first begin with acknowledging the tremendous contribution that Elsina has made to the industry over the last 50 years. I feel very proud to have been honored and also feel very humbled to have been honored by Elsina for this recognition. I collect this award on behalf of our entire SGS team and my amazing partners Jasbir Gujral, Ranjit Singh and Krishna Pant. Our growth at SGS is an outcome of a collective and collaborative effort of everyone, from our dedicated senior management staff as well as our workers. Frankly, I'm very excited about the newly crafted partnership with another Indian company, Sirma Technologies, that Raju just spoke about. Through this collaboration, we have the conviction that immense opportunities for growth and expansion can be harnessed with our collective strengths. And I think that is the way forward. Friends, there is no better time than today when the electronic manufacturing has come center stage. Great opportunities have emerged with the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat push. India is transforming itself to becoming a unique landscape for entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs, especially in the manufacturing sector. Let us collaborate and synergize our strengths and come forward to make a mark for India in the world. My biggest dream is to see design-led, flourishing electronic ESDM system in India. And we have today with us a few champions who have started this on this path and are going to be working and showing how can we make companies really successful, because unless we have design and we own the IP in India on a long-term basis, the sustainability is not going to be there. Once we have the flourishing industry in this area, then we have to be very conscious of the fact that today there is a great push by the Government of India. And there's a great progressive policies and progressive policy support which we have all received and are continuing to receive. This is our best chance to make it a reality. The ball is now, in my opinion, in the industry's court. If we all put our heads together, work together, I think the collective strength and wisdom that we have within our Indian entrepreneurship cannot be second to any. And I think we have to all come together to make India #1 as the electronic destination in the years to come. I once again thank Elsina for reposing this trust in me and honoring us with this recognition. I accept this award with all humility on behalf of the SGS team. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those nice thoughts and all the humility which you have always had, and we are really proud and really happy to have your to have had your leadership for Elsina and for our community, which has been really great. This was the last award to be presented, and we are done with the presentation ceremony. We will now thank Mr. Marwa for his patience and Dr. Chatterjee. And we are really grateful, sir, that you are here. You have actually made our ceremony nice and official. I think it is good because it gives a lot of encouragement to everybody who's here and who's watching. I would now request you to kindly say a few words for us as our guest of honor, and we'll be very grateful for that. Please, Ayush.
Thank you, Mr. Goel. Office bearers of Elsina, all the award winners, good afternoon to you all. And I am indeed delighted to be here this afternoon at the 45th Elsina Awards presentation ceremony. Though because of the pandemic, the function has been subdued, but that is understandable. However, most of the award winners have collected the awards personally, so that speaks volumes about the award. And I must especially congratulate the lifelong achievement by Mr. M.L. Tandon, the award that he has won, and Mr. Sanjeev Narayan for Electronics Man of the Year. So they are great achievements and recognition for the great work done by these two gentlemen. Mr. Manwani's contribution, of course, is great to this industry. And of course, all the others, Mr. Amit is also here, so he's running an excellent, design-led company. So great examples are here. So as far as electronics is concerned, actually, we have performed significantly well in the last about 5 years. And the compound annual growth rate of electronics has been over 23%. It's grown from $29 billion in 14-15 to about $76 billion last year. And going ahead under the aegis of the National Policy on Electronics 2019, our aim is to significantly increase the value addition and exports. So going forward, those are the two key mantras leading to significant employment generation. And this year of the pandemic, we have brought out 3 flagship schemes. The Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for large-scale electronics manufacturing, the Scheme for Promotion of Electronic Components and Semiconductors, and the Electronics Manufacturing Clusters 2.0, the Modified EMC Scheme. So with these 3 schemes, we expect huge growth in electronics production in the coming years. And I believe we are at an inflection point as far as electronics manufacturing and exports is concerned. Elsina has contributed significantly in the formulation of the spec scheme. We have got a lot of contribution from them, deciding the thresholds, deciding the items, and the scheme has seen significant interest from the industry, and the outlay that is there. So it won't be enough. So we need to increase the outlay for the specs. And for the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme, we had mobile phones there, both international as well as domestic, as well as electronic components. And in the components category, we have already approved 6 applications under the PLI scheme. But then we will also, we have received certain recommendations from Elsina and from other quarters also regarding revision of the thresholds for investments and production. So we will consider those into account and also reopen the scheme for the electronic components category soon. So we expect a lot of, we urge the industry to take advantage of both the PLI and spec scheme and make India, a front runner in electronics. So the target of National Policy on Electronics is to India becomes a global hub for electronics manufacturing, and with the interest that is seen, that has been generated by these schemes, we believe that in the next 5 years, we will certainly reach that stage. So thank you. With that, I would like to conclude, and thank you all the award winners for the wonderful work done by the respective companies, and thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Once again for being here and for that nice, those nice words you could say to us. We have a 1-minute video from Mr. Falk Sanger.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome.
I am Falk Sanger, Managing Director of Messe München. On behalf of the entire electronics industry, I take this opportunity to express gratitude to Elsina for continuing the trend of recognizing excellence in electronics manufacturing. We at Messe München are indeed honored to be associated with you again for this 45th edition of the awards. I would like to appreciate the efforts that have been made in putting together these awards. They represent the best in the industry, and I offer my compliments to all the winners. Well done and congratulations. To the jury, I would like to assure you we understand and appreciate the difficult job you have done to choose the best from the rest. Thank you. Once again, on behalf of Messe München India, I take this moment to thank Elsina for giving us this opportunity. I look forward to many more occasions. Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
That was Mr. Fogg Senger. He is the managing director of Messe München, who are we are their partners for the Electronica show, and they are our partners for these awards, and they've been a very good partner for us. We are very grateful and happy that we have them as our for supporting us in this. With that said, we come to an end of this program. I would request Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, our senior vice president, to kindly say a few words, his closing remarks, and then we will have the group photograph, and then we have some tea together, please. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Elsina Awards are always eagerly awaited and are always a moment of celebration for the awardees. Being one of the most credible awards in the electronic industry, it carries a lot of value. I wish to congratulate all the award winners and wish them the very best. This year, in spite of COVID, we had record number of entries, and the jury had a tough time to picking out the best from the list. I wish to thank on behalf of Elsina, Mr. Marwa and Dr. Chatterjee for sparing the time for this function. You have always been a source of inspiration and support for us. Big thanks to MMI and Mr. Bhupinder Singh for their support. And many thanks to Mr. Sanjeev Narayan and Mr. Manwani for their consistent efforts in promoting the cause of electronics and encouraging the members to come forward. Last not but the least, this event was not possible without the tireless efforts of Elsina secretarial staff led by Rajuji. Without that, this function would not have been possible. Once again, many thanks and season's greetings to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So as we conclude, can we have a group photograph? So we'll just invite everybody who's waiting outside to kindly come on the dais, and we'll put some chairs over here, and some people can stand at the back, respectively by height, not by the first or second prize, but by your height. So if you are short, you are lucky, you come in front. If you're tall, you are unlucky, you go to the back. Thank you once again to everybody, sir, and for coming all the way. I think it's been a great effort by those who have actually come here to participate. Thank you so much.